Hey guys, this is the common relief of the A4VG or A6VE motor. This is Rexroth relief valve. They use this also in the DCV, so it's a common relief. I just want to explain how this relief works. This is a pilot operated relief valve. So this is the main body, the main puppet. This is the orifice, a light spring here to maintain position or force. This is the pilot relief valve body or housing, we call that. This is the pilot puppet, okay? And this spring here where you set your high pressure setting, and then this is the adjustment here. There's no lock nut. There's a lock nut here, but I lost it, so it's okay. I just explained this one, how this one works through the circuit. Okay. Now this main puppet here, this high pressure acting on this face here. So when it comes like that, so there, high pressure here and low pressure here. Or if you can use this in the closed loop pump like A4VG, so this will be your low pressure and high pressure. If you use a normal relief, this is a tank and this is pressure here. Okay. So very simple guys for this circuit. So you have your main puppet, okay? So let's do this. Okay? Now, so spring, light spring, which is here, okay, then drain. All right, this time we put tank there. Okay, now from here there's a orifice. Okay, so of course pressure acting here. Okay, so imagine if there's no pilot, if there is no this part here, if it's not included, so that will straightly, because the spring is too light. Okay, now what happened is the oil coming from through orifice, this one here. Okay, so let's draw that one there. And then up in this area here at the back of this puppet. Okay, this chamber is, because that one is go like that. And then spring. So pressure here also through orifice. So let's put an orifice here. Okay, and then also that will make a delta P between here and here. So up there. Okay, also see this hole guys, the puppet is inside, so there's another relief here. That's why I called pilot. Okay, now let's draw like that. Let's see what happened. So of course spring here, this is the high spring, the hard spring. This is where you adjust. And then of course up there, and then obviously that will drain. So that drain is this one here. Okay, so once the spring, obviously the spring overcome by the pressure here, that will open, and that one goes here. Okay, so this is your main, this is your P, and then T, then also this here T. So that orifice will act as a, create a delta P. Okay, so once this area here, see that area guys, if this one is closed, pressure acting here, because this area is bigger than the area here, so it won't open. Once this pressure is relieved, okay, depend on your pressure as a spring setting, obviously what happened is the oil will drain. Then because it create a delta P, overcome the force of this spring plus the pressure here, so the main poppet will open. Once this open, and then it will come out from this gallery. Okay, too easy. So remember, this has a seal. See that seal guys, that one there, there's an o-ring behind. So all you need to do is remove that seal carefully, replace the o-ring, put new o-ring, and put this seal back. Okay, and then you need a tool. Like what I did guys is I make a tool. Find my tool, so I put that there. See, there's a chamfer, put that there to squeeze the new seal, and then once that's set, and then you can put it here. See, that way you can to prevent you won't damage the seal. Okay, so that's it. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you guys.